Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be doing rainbow arrows. So yeah, let's go. So this video is basically where you have to choose one of these kits. I don't know what's gone with Minecraft, but looks what they won't let me choose anything. But something's gone wrong with it, right? Inflator kit. I'll choose that. I haven't got the shredder kit yet because I'm saving up for the chicken. And I've got 7,423 gems, so that's quite a lot. Yeah. Oh, he's Titus. Who are you? You're not Jerome, right? No. He's a fake Jerome, right? So let's get into some raining out. Raining arrows is coming up. I've got my thing here. Oh, come on, I can't switch my sword to my shield. Oh yeah, that will be cheating, won't it? Right. Right. Phew! I'm gonna shoot them at your face. But no, you instead. That would be better. Now I'm going forward. Wait, can't I do it from here? Oh no, guys! I'm only shot it. Wait, did I do first blood? No. I killed 2 people in a row, and they were the same people who I killed, so let's kill more. Is that hitting one? No. Right, so it's 2-2 at the moment. Probably not. Oh, yeah, it's not. It's 3-2 now. I'm gonna bark at me. So, should we hit there? No, that's a rubbish. Ooh, that's actually a good shot. Ooh, we've lost. We've lost so bad, yeah. Bojan! Stop it, Bojan! You can team up to kill Bojan. Where's Bojan? Oh no, there's another one there. Don't bother me, I'm just climbing some ladders. Right, switch over to here. Nope. Maybe not switch over to there. Yeah, I was killed by the void. That's not supposed to happen, I just walked on it. What's the matter of walking on red paths? Man, nothing's wrong. Right. Switch behind here. Let's go back. No, I nearly got Bojan again. I swear, man. Oh, there's only 1.1 minutes, 1.0 minutes now. Oh, I nearly got him. Can hide behind here. Maybe I can't hide. Let's go and kill him. I'm going in for the kill. Oh, it's a shield. Man, how can a shield hurt? How are you going to get killed? By me. And then I get shot. I'm sorry. And then I don't know what happens. It's raining arrows from out of the sky. Arrows, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining arrows from out of the sky. Arrows, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Oh wait, great. You hear that piano noise? It's my brother's great piano thing. But last episode we did Twisted Murder. I got 0 effort. I got 0 EXP on the second round. So quite rubbish at it. I'm hacking! I'm actually hacking. Right. I don't have any food. So that's the problem. Yeah. Whoever shoots me, I'm going to be embarrassed. Go on. 2, 1, stop. Oh, come on, I haven't got any arrows. Man. Come on, that isn't fair. I need arrows. Please. Just give me barrels. Oh yeah, zoom in. Mario, you may not do that anymore. That is unarrestable. What is unarrestable? Jeez. Oh, I nearly got someone. Come on. Ooh, what a mess, man. I'm going in for the kill. Oh, maybe I'm not going in for the kill. Right, so we've got the Narado. Now we need to kill somebody. Not got a chance to kill anybody this episode. That's quite sad. Ooh, is that one? It's raining arrows from out of the sky. Arrows, no need to ask why. Whee! Oh, what a headshot! Right. So it's Mother's Day today, we got to play our Kung Fu for an hour. So we're gonna shoot that person. Max Ignite Mario. No. Phew, thank you, Mario. Wasn't you after all? You are the real Mario, who I believe in because you're a pro. And you're a bro, right? Oh, jeez! I'm an OG, I'm wearing glasses. Right. Can we do that? Yeah! Let's have a party! Oh, maybe I can't have a party. I'm too drunk. Oh no. No, we only get 36 seconds of combat time. Right. No. Who's Max Ignitor? Oh, Joel. I don't know where the exact area where they are. I'm gonna shoot there. Shoot there. Oh, come on. never gonna shoot me up. Oh no, there's a team of them, man. Now I'm running. Good. Phew. It's raining arrows. It's raining blocks. I'm raining arrows. Arrows are just a box because I am the fleet unlocks. Oh, no. Yeah. That's what happens when you're being silly. Ooh! Nearly got that shot. Maybe I didn't because I bumped into a cactus. What a shot! Oh, good! How did he get that shot? He's a master at it's raining arrows. That's a riddle. I've lost some hearts, so that's a very bad. But do you think we can survive? It's my cue, thank you. Oh, maybe it's not. I need to know who Max Glater is. Max Glater. So he looks yellow. Oh, I see you now. I've not even got one kill yet, man. Just put that there. Oh, someone's gonna come flying out, aren't they? I knew you were. At least. Yes. Now we need you go. Woohoo! I'm running! For my life! I can't attack German buildings, man. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy I'll leave the video in. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys a secret. Leave a like, or leave a big fat thumbs up, or some subscribers or something. Just bye. I need to get on with another video. So yeah, bye.